Hong Kong is a city that never stops moving. By day, its skyscrapers pierce the sky. By night, the city transforms into a glowing sea of neon and light. But look closer, and you'll find hidden temples, lush green peaks, and islands where time slows down. This is Hong Kong, the place where modern energy and ancient tradition live side by side. Let's begin with the view everyone dreams of: Victoria Harbour. From above, ferries crisscross the water, skyscrapers line the shore, and the skyline sparkles against the mountains. It's one of the most iconic cityscapes on Earth, and when the Symphony of Lights show begins, the entire harbour comes alive in a dazzling performance. For the best view in town, climb Victoria Peak. From here, the city stretches endlessly, framed by the South China Sea on one side and Emerald Hills on the other. But Hong Kong isn't just about steel and glass. It's a city of nature too. Lantau Island, home to the Big Buddha, offers serene hiking trails, fishing villages, and beaches that feel far away from the city buzz. Down in Kowloon, life feels electric. Markets brim with colorful fabrics, antiques, and street food sizzling on every corner. This is where you taste the soul of Hong Kong, from dim sum dumplings to egg waffles hot off the grill. And yet, just a short walk away, you can step into a quiet temple filled with incense and prayer. Hong Kong is all about contrasts, and that's what makes it unforgettable. Here, East meets West in every sense. British colonial heritage blends with deep Chinese traditions, creating a culture that feels unique, vibrant, and ever-changing. It's a city of business and fashion, of art and festivals, of history and innovation. In Hong Kong, the world doesn't just meet, it collides, and something incredible is born. Whether you're soaring above the skyline, wandering neon streets, or finding peace in the hills, Hong Kong will leave you inspired. It's a city that surprises, delights, and keeps you coming back for more. So if you're ready for breathtaking views, unforgettable food, and experiences you won't find anywhere else, Hong Kong is waiting.